How to delete Instagram account. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to delete Instagram account, open the Instagram application on your device first. Go to your profile and then tap on the three lines you see on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option. You will see the option for Account Center. Tap on that and then under Account Settings, tap on the Personal Details option. You will see the option for Account Ownership and Control. Tap on that. You can manage your data, modify your legacy contact, deactivate or delete your accounts and profiles from here. Now go ahead and tap on the deactivation or deletion option. You will get two options now. You can choose to deactivate your account, which is temporary, or you can choose to delete your account, which is permanent. So go ahead and tap on the delete account option. Take note that when you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. If you are sure of deleting your account, tap on the Continue button. You will now be asked to select a reason for why you are deleting your Instagram account. Go ahead and select the most appropriate option for you and tap on the Continue button. Now enter your Instagram password and tap on Continue again. And with this, you will be able to successfully delete your Instagram account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.